Hello, Dr. Scott Nall here from thevillageosteopath.com. If you're on hormone therapy, one of the most important choices you'll make is the type of progesterone you use, and they are not all the same. There are two categories. Bioidentical progesterone is molecularly identical to what your own body makes. Progestins are synthetic stand-ins, close but structurally different, and decades of data show that difference matters. Think back to the Women's Health Initiative, the study that made headlines in 2002. One arm used Prempro, a conjugated estrogen combined with medroxyprogesterone, a synthetic progestin. That arm was stopped early. Why? The combination showed an increase in breast cancer, along with more strokes and more blood clots. Now here's the detail that too often gets left out. When women took estrogen alone, without the synthetic progestin, that breast cancer increase wasn't there. In other words, the progestin was a major part of the problem. Compare that to the E3N study, a large French cohort of roughly 80,000 women. When estradiol was paired with bioidentical micronized progesterone, researchers did not find that increased breast cancer risk. Same hormone category, progesterone, but a very different safety story. On effectiveness, both types do the essential job, protecting the lining of your uterus when they're dosed correctly. But bioidentical progesterone offers something extra. Your body converts it into a calming compound that supports sleep, which is why we often have you take it at night. And most women simply tolerate it better, with fewer mood and bloating complaints. That's why bioidentical progesterone is the foundation of how we approach BHRT. If you'd like to understand what's right for your body, let's talk.